Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn on auto answer calls on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down to accessibility, open it up, scroll down again till you see the touch section, so just tap on it. Scroll down a bit till you see the call audio routing part, so tap on that. And here at the bottom, you will see auto answer calls. Tap on that to open. And there's a switch button right there to enable or disable the auto answer calls feature. So if you want to enable it, just tap on the switch button. And if you've enabled it, there will be a option to change the duration of time to wait until the call is auto answered. So you could set to anything you want, either be 10 seconds, 5 seconds, it's up to you. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.